When repairing electronics such as smartphones, tablets and laptops, a clean, anti-static workspace is vital. Elements such as dust and fragments from broken screens can contribute to a reduction in the device's lifespan if they enter key electronic components. Working within an ISO Class 5 laminar flow cabinet, using an anti-static wristband, you reduce the chances of component damage, offering your customer a premium level of repair and your own peace of mind. The Monmouth VLF 650E uses minimal space, offers a well-lit working area, and is a cost-effective solution to improving your service.